Car Stuff BMW. This is Jesse. I got my coffee, and we're headed to the Orchards Cars and Coffee at Vancouver Mall. Let's go check out some cars. All right, just made it here, and it looks like a pretty good turnout. Some pretty cool cars. There was an STI Forester that I saw on the way here. It sounded pretty wicked. So let's go check out some cars. Let's see what there is to see. Oof, those wheels. Look so good.
I really want to find out.
It's pretty sick. Take those wheels. These work.
A Fox. I want a Fox.
Howdy.
I want a Fox. I want the original Fox.
That is freaking cool.
I want to turn some camera brackets on out the driveway so I don't work on the roof, you know, buy stuff. How much you charge for your training?
Oh, man, there's all kinds of cool cars today.
Mine was the first one.
Fieros. Some lowriders. Oh, dude, that's sweet. Some bugs. It's pretty sweet. Got the Geo Metro with the underglow. That's awesome. W. Yeah. Heck yeah. Oops. That's pretty sweet. I feel like I've seen that one before. Dog. The Talon. Cool Miata. I dig it. That's awesome. Shit. Do they know their lights are on? RX-7. Got a Skyline. Pretty sweet. Nice Supra. Hell yeah. That thing's awesome. That is hilarious. It's pretty sweet. What'd you say? Hard Body Club. That's mean looking. It's pretty sweet.
Other guy, he fixed it up. later, hang on, use this one. It's like, that's
gosh, that is so cool. Oh, awesome. Hell yeah, dude. That was so cool. Yeah, Austin Healy. Oh my gosh, this is wild. Hell yeah. So awesome. See, everybody's filming here. Oh, dude. Hell yeah. That thing is awesome. Hey, look, they're selling coffee. Somebody brought their CRV. Awesome. Is that a Mercury? Damn. Oh yeah, that is cool. Yeah, I don't care about those. Sorry guys, I just don't care about the trucks. Some fancy cars over there. I love the Vestiva. All right. There's some pretty cool cars. It's pretty much most of them though. Let's check these cars out too. Hell yeah. That's awesome. There's an eclipse in the back. This is pretty sick. Damn. stuff over there. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Oh yeah. All right, it is many hours later since I got back from the Cars and Coffee. Worked on another car and then just spent some time measuring stuff. I want to put a D16 in it, but I was thinking, oh, maybe a B series. I don't think a B series will fit, but I'm a little more convinced that a K swap is possible, so that's good. All right, so that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching and coming with me to check out the cars at the Orchard's Cars and Coffee. Give us a like and subscribe. We'll see you later.